Yeah, the team said it's very nice experience here so far, touring, going around, walking around the farm. I'm so happy to be back here at my favorite spot in the whole area. This is very zen to me. This is their, ano ba to? To me, this is Batis. Ano ba ang Batis for more people to appreciate? So, but this is, it's actually like a small swimming pool, but the water is really fresh. It's very cold. It's very refreshing. Renz said kanina na you should actually be, ano daw, to swimming here naked. So that sounds really, really exciting. But I think this is really one of the best places here. One of the places that you guys shouldn't miss out when you want to have a self-reflection, a time for yourself. So it's gonna be worth it staying here in the farm. So again, this is Esplana-Manansala. It's been a great day tour here at the farm. Welcome to my happy place. Bye. Thank you.